I have no need to hold on to reminders of addiction. There is no use of them in my life. I use self love and self care, not self control. I am firmly committed to staying active and healthy. I am devoting some me time to my schedule. I am organized and I take the necessary time required to stay focused. It is easy for me to exceed expectations in my work. My planning takes away the sting of potential problems and undue stress. I ensure that I have the tools needed to complete a project. I am eternal, immortal, universal, and infinite. My expectations are truly limitless. Courage is a natural part of my being. By facing life, I transcend it. Everything means something. This day continues well. I feel successful. I feel strong. There is beauty in all things. I am what I am, and that is my evolution. What others perceive of me is a part of their evolution. My philosophy is truth only. Through expressing my individuality, I become free. I organize my priorities into separate bins and pull them out one by one. My daily priorities further my life goals. I am comfortable denying or delegating the tasks that do not fit into my schedule. I work smartly. I seize the opportunity to conquer my tasks first. Doing less, produce more. More time for my family, self relaxation, and reflection. I can neutralize bad habits with good food, exercise, and a healthy living. I am living a vibrant and happy life. Life is a journey, so I will enjoy the ride. I will have a positive attitude and be hopeful and optimistic today. I unconditionally accept the evolution of others in love. I am what I am. I am having faith in the beauty within me. I am simplifying my life. I step beyond confusion. In clarity, I express power. I am constantly aware of the power of positive thinking, and I am supported by the universe as it brings me endless opportunities for growth. I am asking for what I want several times a day, believing that I will receive it. I am clear about what my goals are, and I know that I will definitely accomplish them. I am stocking my toolkit with education and training in order to reach my goal. I am planting seeds to a successful career and a stress free life. A little preparation takes me a long way in easing stress and strain. By organizing my thoughts, time, and priorities, I am becoming a better person every day. Love is a miracle cure. Loving myself works miracle in life. I am the one with the power of wisdom of the universe. I have all that I need. I am practicing the no exception rule in order to keep my commitments and achieve all my goals. I am committed to excellence in everything I do, which is positively impacting every aspect of my life, my career, and my reputation. I am happily committed to lifelong learning and self-improvement. I am continuously increasing my knowledge, which substantially increases my potential to succeed. I am choosing to be teachable so that I constantly learn and grow. I make space for the new things that I want. With the expert guidance of my coach, I am joyfully sloping forward in every area of my life. I am experiencing the wonderful power that comes to me from the others and from above. I believe that others who want to share my desire to be positive influence will be attracted to me and exchange knowledge and success. I am committed to being super successful. I have developed my intuition and learned to trust my inner self. I am experiencing my confidence continuously growing as I coach others to succeed. I am thrilled to be learning and growing under the wings of my mentors who guide me to success.
Thank you so much for watching this video so far, guys. If you liked our content, please do leave a like, and for more content like this ahead, please do subscribe our channel. And what you want in the next video, please comment that down in the comment section.